Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn VLC Media Player into your very own picture-in-picture video viewer, so you can keep watching your favorite content while working, browsing, or tackling anything else on your computer. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to enable the always-on-top feature in VLC, which is the closest thing VLC offers to a true picture-in-picture experience. This is a fantastic trick for anyone who loves to multitask without missing a moment of their videos. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't already have VLC installed, just pause here and download it. It's free, super lightweight, and you can grab it from the official Videoland.org website. Once you have VLC open, you'll need to load up a video. This can be anything you want. Maybe you're tuning into a movie, a lecture, or your favorite YouTube download. To open a video, just click Media in the top left corner of VLC, then select Open File. Browse for your video and open it up. You should see it begin to play right in the VLC window. Now, here's where the magic happens. Take a look at the menu bar across the top of VLC. You'll see a bunch of options like Media, Playback, and Audio. What you want is View. Click on View to reveal a drop-down menu. Don't worry if you feel a little lost in all these menus. The View menu is where VLC stores all of its display and interface options, and it's super helpful once you get the hang of it. Inside the View menu, you'll see an option labeled Always on Top. This is our main focus today. Go ahead and click Always on Top. You should immediately see a little check mark appear next to it. That check mark is how you know the setting is enabled. If you don't see it, just click the option again to toggle it. Sometimes it takes a moment for the check to appear, so don't worry if you have to do this twice. Once Always on Top is enabled, try switching to another window on your computer, like your browser, email, or even a spreadsheet. You'll notice that the VLC video window doesn't disappear behind your other programs. It stays on top, exactly where you can see it. This is what makes multitasking so much easier. For example, if you're following a cooking tutorial in VLC and need to jot down ingredients in your Notes app, the video will remain visible no matter what you click elsewhere. It's a lot like those picture-in-picture modes you see on smart TVs or YouTube mobile, letting you keep your video front and center while you work on other things. If at any point you want to turn this feature off, maybe your screen's feeling a little crowded, just hop back into the View menu and uncheck Always on Top. The window will then behave like any other, slipping behind when you click away. And that's all there is to it. You've just unlocked a super useful VLC trick to keep your videos always in front. Perfect for studying, working, or just relaxing while you do other things. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Got any questions or want tips for using VLC? Drop a comment below. I read every one. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy digital how-tos just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy multitasking.